Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use the quick analysis tool. And this tool can be used to perform a quick analysis, mathematical analysis of data. Alright, so let's get started. You can see I have some data here, and let's say you want to perform a quick analysis of this data, mathematical analysis. All you have to do to use the quick analysis tool is highlight the data that you want to analyze. You see this little box here? That's the quick analysis tool. Click the box. Now let's say you want to know which one is in the top 10%. Here it's obvious because it's in ascending order. But if the numbers were not in ascending order, and you want to find out which one is in the top 10%, you will just click this here, top 10%, and you can see it is highlighted the top 10%. Now, you had a lot of data, let's say 100 different entries, and they were not in ascending order. This will be a quick way to do that, to analyze the data. Let me go back here. Now let's say that you want to see which ones are greater than, let's say, 800. You just click the quick analysis tool, type 800 here, and you see it highlighted everything that's greater than 800. You can change the color if you want. And of course, like I said, here it is obvious because it's a small amount of data and it's organized in ascending order. But if it was not organized in ascending order, you had a large amount of data, this tool would be very, very useful. Now let's go back, click quick analysis one more time. Let's go to totals at the top here. Right, let's say you want to sum, get the total for the column. You just click this, the total. That's 5,500 is the total, right? Click the quick analysis toolbar again, go to totals. Let's say you want to get the average, you just click average. 550 is the average of all these numbers here. Go back, go to totals. Let's say you want to get the count. That's the count of the cells that actually have data in them, which are 10 cells from 2 to 11. The total is 100%. Now let's say you want to sum up the columns, the rows. Instead of the column, you want to sum the row, right? Then you can see this little box here, instead of being highlighted at the bottom, which these are highlighted in blue at the bottom, this one is highlighted in orange on the side. Then you would just click this one, and if you had more data, let's say this column here was full of data, then it would add the two rows, and you will get the total. Instead of being 100, it would be, let's say, type something here, right? Totals. You have to highlight all the data that you want to add up. Click the quick analysis toolbar, totals, and you can see the first column was added up. They all were added up, but these have no data, so it's the same number. This one says 200 because you have 100 here and 100 here. That's 200. Now let's go back. Click totals again. Click this little arrow to see the rest of the options. Now let's say if you want to get a running total here, a running total, which means adding up. A running total means adding this up, right? Let's say this one is 100, you will have 100 here. Then this column will show 300, or this row will show 300, because it'll be 100 plus 200, that's 300. This row should show, or this cell should show 600, which is 100, 200 plus 300, right? As you can see, that would take forever if you do it individually. Especially if you had like 100 entries or 1,000 entries, right? So using this quick analysis tool, all you have to do is go to running total, click running total, and as you can see, you have it here. 100 plus 200, that's 300. 100 plus 200 plus 300, that's 600. 100 plus 200 plus 300 plus 400, that's 1,000. And this is a quick way to analyze data using the quick analysis tool. And thank you very much for watching this tutorial. And if you have any comments or questions, please comment below. And I will create a new tutorial to answer your questions. Thank you.